Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best instant meat thermometers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ruo Meat Thermometer Digital, which is our budget option at just $9.49. This thermometer is perfect for those who want reliable functionality without breaking the bank. It offers a 2 to 3 second fast response time and a temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring accuracy within ±1 degrees Fahrenheit. The stainless steel probe is food grade, making it safe for use on anything from steaks to baby food. Design-wise, the Ruo thermometer sports a simple but functional body with a large LCD display for instant readings. It's waterproof, which means you can clean it under running water without worrying about damage. Additionally, the built-in magnet and hanging hole allow for convenient storage on your fridge or hooks. While the thermometer lacks advanced features like motion sensing or auto-rotating displays, it does include a handy meat temperature chart on the body, which is a thoughtful touch for beginners. In terms of performance, this thermometer is ideal for casual users who need quick and accurate readings for barbecues, baking, or everyday cooking. Its low price makes it accessible, but keep in mind that it doesn't include high-end features like calibration certificates or ultra-bright LED displays. Pros include affordability, fast response time, and waterproof durability, while cons include a more basic design and fewer advanced features. If you're on a tight budget, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Trrowy Instant Read Meat Thermometer priced at $13.99. This thermometer strikes a balance between functionality and affordability, making it a good mid-range option for home cooks. With a fast 2 to 3 second response time and a wide temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, it's accurate to ±1 Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable results whether you're grilling, baking, or making candy. The design of the Trrowy thermometer is sleek and practical. It features a large backlit LCD display that's easy to read even in low-light conditions, and the 4.6-inch ultra-thin stainless steel probe minimizes damage to meat while providing precise readings. The thermometer is waterproof with an IPX6 rating, allowing for easy cleaning under running water. A built-in magnet and hanging hole make storage simple, keeping it within reach in your kitchen or outdoor cooking area. Performance-wise, this thermometer is ideal for anyone looking for an affordable yet durable option with a few added perks. While it doesn't have advanced motion sensing features, it does deliver solid accuracy and fast readings for a variety of cooking tasks. Pros include its durable build, clear display, and great value for the price, while cons include a slightly less premium feel compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for reliability on a budget, Trrowy delivers. At number 3, we have the Alpha Grillers Meat Thermometer Digital, priced at $15.98. This thermometer is a solid choice for those who want a versatile and reliable tool for cooking and grilling. It offers a fast 2 to 3 second response time with highly accurate readings, and its temperature probe is pre-calibrated for convenience, although a recalibration option is available if needed. Design-wise, Alpha Grillers have crafted a durable thermometer with a large, easy-to-read digital display featuring a bright blue backlight. This is particularly handy for grilling at night or in dimly lit kitchens. The IP67 water-resistant rating makes it safe to clean under running water, adding to its durability. The thermometer also comes in an elegant foam-lined box, making it a thoughtful gift option for cooking enthusiasts. In terms of performance, this thermometer excels in versatility. It's suitable for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. While it doesn't have motion sensing or auto-rotating features, it delivers reliable accuracy and speed, making it a great middle ground option. Pros include its durability, water resistance, and gift-ready packaging, while cons include the lack of advanced features found in higher-end models. If you're looking for a dependable thermometer with all the essentials, Alpha Grillers is a great pick. Coming in at number 2, we have the ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer, priced at $16.99. This thermometer offers a premium set of features at a reasonable price, making it a standout option for serious cooks. With a fast 3 to 4 second response time and plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, it ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. The design is innovative and user-friendly, featuring a 2-inch auto-rotating backlit display that caters to both left-handed and right-handed users. This display is motion sensing, waking up when picked up and sleeping when set down, which helps save battery power. The thermometer also boasts an IP65 waterproof rating for easy cleaning, and its magnetic back adds convenience for storage. The lock and calibration functions are great for ensuring consistent performance. Performance-wise, the ThermoPro TP19H is ideal for anyone who values accuracy, ease of use, and advanced features. It's perfect for grilling, baking, and candy making, and the motion-sensing display is particularly useful for multitasking in busy kitchens. Pros include its ambidextrous design, motion sensing, and high accuracy, while cons include a slightly higher price compared to basic models. If you want advanced features without splurging on luxury options, this thermometer is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the ThermoMaven Meat Thermometer Digital, priced at $19.99. This premium option is a game changer for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. With an ultra-fast 1-second response time and plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, it's certified by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, ensuring professional-grade precision. The ThermoMaven thermometer features a cutting-edge LED screen that delivers exceptional brightness, making it perfect for outdoor barbecues or dimly lit kitchens. It's motion-activated, waking up instantly when picked up and going to sleep when set down, and the auto-rotating display ensures ease of use for both right-handed and left-handed users. Its 100% waterproof design makes cleaning hassle-free, and the durable build guarantees long-term reliability. This thermometer is ideal for perfectionists who demand the highest accuracy and performance. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or making candy, the ThermoMaven delivers unmatched results every time. Pros include its superior accuracy, ultra-fast readings, and premium LED display, while cons include its higher price point. If you're looking for the best of the best, this thermometer is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.